Today we're doing another Arabic video and it's about the Arabic family members. Sup guys, it is D-Man and today we're doing another Arabic video and it's about the Arabic family members. So please subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay guys. Okay, so the first family member we're learning about is going to be but we're going to go through all the family members, okay? So is one of them. Means mum. Ummi means my mum. And then we're gonna do dad. So dad is Ab and my dad is Abi. Then we're just gonna do son. So you may be thinking that is too hard. Well, I'm gonna teach you son like it's nothing. Ibn. Right? It's easy once you know it. Because before you know it, when you don't even know the word, you might think it's so hard, but actually it becomes very easy once you learn the word. Now I'm going to tell you daughter. It sounds a bit like girl. Bint. Now we're moving on to harder stuff, but two things are pretty easy. But so there's a father's side and a mother's side on like three of them. So uncle. So father's side on uncle is Father's side of my uncle is Ammi. Father's side of aunt is Amma. Father's side on my aunt is Ammati. Now it's cousin. Father's side, if it's a boy. And is from your uncle, okay? So we have both words. So this is cousin from your uncle, right? So Ibn al-Am. Ibn al Bint al-Am, and then it's Ibn al-Amma, and then Bint al-Amma, and then it's granddad, Jed. And then my granddad is Jeddi. Grandma is Jedda. My grandma is Jeddati. Brother is My brother is Ahi. Sister is Ukt. And finally, my sister is Ukti. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm trying to release a new channel called Mrs. Cheese. So we're trying to reach 10K subscribers. And also, I want to reach 100 subscribers. Okay. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.